Okay. My trunk spring broke right here, and all the weight is on the opposite, on the left side. It broke on the right side right here, and actually all the weight is done shifted on this side of the trunk, my left side. So when I try to open it up, let me show you how it acts. When I open it up, okay, it does like that. It doesn't go all the way like it's supposed to. So I have to lift it up. I'm going to show you all the junk that I have in my trunk here. And it's kind of dangerous because it's not acting the way it's supposed to act. But here's this one on that side. This left side is that's the way it's supposed to be. And actually I need to prop something up against this this side over here so it won't fall. It's really dangerous right now. But it's right here. It broke right there. And I had to go to the junkyard to get some new ones. And I got to pull all this off right here in order to change it out. But it's pretty simple how it works. So let me get something to prop up this hood. And then this trunk. And then I'll come back. Okay, I went to the junkyard to get these two right here. This is what they look like. Okay, and this is the part that broke right here. So I got two of them, and I'm going to show you the part where it broke. Okay, this is the one that broke. It broke right there, and trying to match it up with this other part. It broke like right there, and it must have broke on this side right here because it broke right there on the edge. See right there, I'm trying to match it up. It broke right there. So what I'm gonna have to do is use this one right here. This is the one that goes on the right side, and this is the one that goes on the left. I don't need it. I'll just have to, it's pretty easy to fix. All you have to do is prop something up against the trunk, make sure it's all the way up. And actually you can just reach back there as long as you have the tension off the springs right here, and they'll pop right out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to show you how it comes out. I got my 4-foot bar over there. I think I'll probably use that to prop up the hood. But anyway, this is how they go in the back. The bar is crisscross like this. Okay. One goes on the left and one goes on the right. But like I said, I only need the one that goes on the right side. So they're real close like this. And like I said, all you have to do is put some tension on the hood. Make sure the hood is all the way up. When you got the tension off the hood, you don't need to remove the hood. And you can take the tension off and change it. So I'm going to try to do that. Okay, and you don't have to remove all the stuff out of your trunk if you don't want to. It's that easy to do. But these little round things right here, you have to pop all these out on this side right here in order to get to it. Now, yeah, I told you before that this was fine. The left side is fine. It's popped on this side right here, and I got the tension off the hood. I got my bar wedged up against the hood, the trunk. And it's taking all the weight and all the pressure off of the latches. So all you have to do is pop these out right here, and that way you can reach back there and pull it right out. And let me pull these things out right here so I can get to it. Okay, there's 3 of these that you need to pop out. I call them they like buttons. Just put pressure on them and they'll pop out. see if this one will come out. The others pop right out. So. Okay, that's the last one. So you can get a flathead screwdriver and pop all 3 of these out. And you should be able to see it on this side right here. That'll go around the back right there. And like I said, they crisscross in the back. So okay. Let's see what I need to do. One of these is already loose because it's broken right here. It's this one right here. So that's the one I'm gonna pop out. This one on this left side is good. And it attaches on that side right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. In the back, it's fine. But like I said, they crisscross. And you have to take the tension off the trunk and it'll pop out. Now this one, see if I can get a closer look at it. Back here in the back, it's loose. So I'm going to pop that one out just like that. Okay, it's broken. The tension is off of it. And you have to, okay, it's broken on that side. Let's see. Okay, it's already broken on this side, so it'll pop out on this other side and you can just take it out and put the other one in. So I probably have to put the camera down in order to do it. The back. So I'm gonna have to see what I need to do here. Okay, there's the ambulance going on the back. Okay, it popped right out. Here it comes right here. See it right there? Since it was already broke, it was loose. So here it is right here. It popped right out. Now here's the other one right here. Go ahead and throw that down like that. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and just put it in the same place and put it in the same latch. And then when I take the tension off the hood, off the trunk with this pipe, then it'll be just like it was before. So let me see if I can position it the same way. Okay, like I had it before. So kind of hard to see back there, but it goes behind back here. It slides in the back. Right there, there's a place back there where it goes. Okay. Okay, you see right there, slides up. If I can get it to turn. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the camera down, but it goes right up in there. It slides right into that latch right there. So let me do that, and I'll come back. Okay, what you have to do is you have to put it in the latch you had it before. This little ring right here attaches in right here. You attach that first, then you come all the way around here. Okay, and you attach it in the back behind this one. That's how it goes. So let's see. You have to have it adjusted just right, but that's how it goes. I'm gonna have to get it on there. Let me put the camera down again. One thing that you have to watch is there's magnets on the end of those speakers on each side, and you have to try to avoid them. They will grab the bar when you are trying to attach them. That's why it's hard for me to hold the camera and try to attach it at the same time. So I got this side in over here, See, I got it right here, then I got it, this is where it was last time, then it goes in right there. Okay, so here's a magnet right here, you have to avoid that. Want to make sure you don't do any damage. And then there's another one right here. See, it's attached to that. It's done grabbed the bar right there, so that's why I'm having such a hard time. So you have to pull it from there and then attach it right behind this one. It goes right in that slot right there. And then that should be it right there. So let me try it again. Okay, I got it in. What you have to do is put this right here, this rounded part. You have to put it back here under, behind the latch. Okay, when the trunk lets down, it'll hit against the round part and it'll come down. So like when you open it, it pops it up. It's kind of like under tension. So you have to slide it up under that in the back. Then come all the way around on this side and put it in the, it goes in the slot right up in here. Then it latches right up in here. So like I'm getting ready to take the tension off the hood by removing this bar, and it should have the correct tension on it. So I'm gonna try it and see what that's gonna do. Okay. Alright, it should be the way it's supposed to be. Okay, it should have the right tension on both sides right here. The bar is in right here. You come over right here. You got it in the same position. So I'm gonna slam it, slam the trunk, and try it and see what it's gonna do. Okay. I'm gonna try to open it. See if it's gonna act the way it's supposed to act. Okay. Okay. It's supposed to stay up, but that's the way that is the way it's supposed to go. So. Okay, it took me a while to get it, but all you have to do is crisscross them right here. There's a latch down at the bottom that it fits into. You really can't see it unless you go from this side up here. It attaches inside of that one on both sides. Once you do that, you should see it. Okay, the bars crisscross around here. They crisscross, but it latches in, and once you get it in, you know it. When you open up your hood, it'll automatically go all the way up to the top. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm looking at this right here. Here's the side that broke right here. And if you look at this, this is the other side. This is where it goes down into it right here. See right here where this indentation is, where the paint is wore off right there. That's where it fits down into the clamp. It slides down there and clamps in. This is where it goes into the hole, up to this little point right here. Okay, that's where it goes in. You push it all the way in through the hole, and you clamp it in right there where you see this paint wore off right there. So that's basically how it works right there. It's pretty simple. It took me about 15 minutes to figure it out, and I did both sides. It took me about 30 minutes to do both sides, so it's pretty simple to do. Okay, I got my hood all the way up. I'm going to close it. Okay, that's the way it's supposed to act. Now I'm going to open it up. Here's my keys. Okay, that's the way it's supposed to act. So, and your hood should go up just like that. So, that's the way you're supposed to put it together. Now I can just attach this, take this off right here and put these three back together. I guess I want to go ahead and do that. But that's basically all you do. And once you get it in like that, then you'll know that it's fixed. And that's all you have to do. Okay, here's one of these buttons right here. Okay, I got everything back together and it's acting the way it's supposed to act. Okay, this slides right up in that hole right there. So it goes like kind of hard to get to, but it slides right up in there. I gotta put the camera down in order to get to it. Okay, here's my old bars right here. Actually, both of them broke right here. But it took me about 15 minutes to put them back together, so it's not as hard as you might think it is. But just be patient with it, take your time. And you don't actually need gloves to do it. I just use my regular hands to put it on there. But that's basically all it is to it. And it took me about 30 minutes to do the whole job and do both sides, so that's pretty much all you have to do. Okay, I got my trunk fixed, so I'm going to show you how it works now. Just like that, that's the way it's supposed to work. And it's supposed to come on up on its own just like that. So, if yours ain't working like that, then it's broken.